Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Half Sword game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are logged in and taken into your account, from the store page just click on the search box and now type in Half Sword to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button to play the demo version before you buy the full game. As the game is still in early access mode, you may click on the Add to Cart option alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then you can click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and after you complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. From there, you can complete the installation in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the Half Sword game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Half Sword game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.